walkthrough of PostTap. So I've actually never used PostTap. I use Genius Link and LinkTwin. PostTap is a free deep linking tool created by Button, but also promoted by Amazon. You can see right here, we're on the login page. I am just opening this for the first time. So this is going to be a brand new walkthrough. So I'm going to click on Remember Me, and I'm also going to accept all the cookies. You've heard a lot about cookies, but that's really why we're doing deep linking, is to save those cookies. So we're going to log in with Amazon. I'm assuming it's going to connect to our account. We're going to click Allow to Sign In button. You'll see right here that this is Button. We're going to click Allow, and then we are in. So there's some new features that it's going to walk through, right? So Taylor is one of the creators of Button. You're going to see right here that you have momentum across PostTap. These are all new items that have come out in the past few weeks, and that's one of the reasons I waited to do this video. But we're going to go next. You can see what's trending globally, filter by region or category. And we are here. So they have rebuilt PostTap from scratch. It is now has a desktop feature, and it is now on mobile. So if I wanted to download the new version, I could do that too. I can also add it to Chrome as an extension. Extensions lie right up here. You can see I have a Genius Link here. I have Viral View, Oink, some other tools up here that I use as an Amazon influencer / affiliate. So I'm actually going to add this to Chrome. It's going to take me to here where I download the extension. So I'm going to add the extension to Chrome. And it'll be right here. It's going to disappear just a second because I have to pin it to the top. So I click on this little puzzle piece right up here. Click on the puzzle piece. We're going to scroll down until we see it. And it's right here. So we're just going to click on this little pin, and that will save it up here to our little dashboard. Okay, so now we're good here. We can paste the link right here and create a short link. I'm also assuming that we can click this button right here on PostTap. You're going to see that we can jump into creator connections. High demand during Prime Day, we're working to restore it. So you could actually look at creator connections right in here. You can search by ASIN here, my shoppable pages, reports, and I'm not going to have any information currently because I don't have any links placed in here. You can also earn internationally, which you can switch back and forth between UK, Australia, Canada, different things like that. I'm going to go to my profile, see some of that. It's pulled some of my information. You can see that you can throw your YouTube handle in here, your Twitter handle, your Pinterest handle, your Snapchat username. You can disable title generation. You can search by ASIN, which I really, really like. Tracking IDs. So I'm going to go back to my links. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to slide over a window, and I'm going to go to the home page of my storefront. So I'm in my storefront right here. And actually, let's go to an individual product. So we're going to go to this large bag. We're going to go to the purple one. Right here. We actually have this product. We've reviewed it. We do it with groceries regularly. So it is part of Creator Connections. It's sold 50 in the past month. But if I wanted to create a deep link, and this is where using PostTap or Genius Link, instead of clicking the traditional Get Link button right here, I'm going to assume that when I click on PostTap, it's going to create, and it allows me to switch my tracking ID so I can track to a different tracking ID if I want. So let's say I was going to put this on YouTube. I'm not going to, but let's just say I was. YouTube right there. Then the link name is here. I can create a short link. Now I can copy that. And this is the link where I would take over to YouTube to put in my description or put in my first comment, or if I was going to go to Facebook and post that. I just want to make sure that it works. So I open up a new window. I'm going to copy and paste right here and click on the link. And I can see here, if I go down, let's see, my ID should pop in down here somewhere. There it is right there. You can see right up at the top, reviews YTOB-20. That matches my YouTube reviews ytob.20. So it works with one click. Let's try something on Facebook. I'm going to go just to some deals today. And, excuse me, 33% off this Shark upright vacuum. So this is a deal. I'm going to open up Facebook because we're actually going to post here too. I'm going to go to groups and here. So we're going to go back here and we're going to click on PostTap just to check it out. Create a short link. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back over to bargains. And I'm actually just going to put a post in here. It's 33% off. Or I'm trying to think of a comment that I would put in. Check out the massive discount on this Shark vacuum. So I'm going to put the link there. It'll automatically pull the picture of the Shark vacuum there, and I've got to make sure I add this, add at the end, and I'm going to post there. It's going to take just a second to post. We have it posted here. Now I'm actually going to click on this and just see if how quick the data can go back into PostTap. So I'm here now. It's got my stuff. If I was going to buy this, I'm not going to, but I'm going to slide back over to PostTap and I'm going to click on refresh really quick. Okay, cool. So really quick. We've got some great information. So we have our links of what we have copied. So you can see we did this, we created this for this, we created this. I can actually copy this link at any time. So there's kind of a walkthrough list, right? Is create an account, first short link, second short link, share a link, first click, creator connections, 20 short links. So these kind of like these pathways that they want you to walk through to get some awards, different things like that. I'm not going to download the app, but I'm going to see if I can download the newest version. Okay, this is a QR code that I could scan with my phone. And again, this is free. This is not a paid version. And for the free version, this is a huge upgrade on what they had before because a lot of this data was not available up until they did the most recent information or the update. So I'm going to go to reports really quick and just see how quickly the reports are. So it's not instant. It might be like a daily thing. Data is refreshed several times a day. So I could come back and look at this probably in a couple hours and this would be it. So from a beginner standpoint, I literally went from the download to the extension, creating a link and posting a link in less than 4 minutes. It was free. That link that I created, if I go back over here, this link that I created right here for the Shark vacuum is a deep link, which means now that I can post it on Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, where I pretty much, a blog, a website, Instagram, as a sticker, different things like that. If you have individual questions or comments, or you're an expert at PostTap and want to leave some helpful hints below for people, this is mostly for beginners that have never used PostTap. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more information about being an Amazon affiliate or an influencer, obviously you want to follow, like, subscribe, all of the things. Hopefully this brought you value. And if it did, I would ask that you do all the things that I just talked about. Thank you so much.